Welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, what I'm going to do, cook a jerk fish. I'm going to marinate it in the kitchen and then I'm going to take it outside on the coal grill to get that smoky barbecue flavor. So stay tuned. What I have here, guys, have some tilapia fish, which I like it because sometimes I don't like the fish with the bones. So I'm gonna use this for my jerk fish. I'm gonna get a pan. Now you can do it the way you like to do it. Gonna put some oil over the fish. It's personal preference anyway. Gonna add some jerk dry rub over the fish. This is what it looked like. My own product, Linden, the dry rub. And here you have the wet rub, the jerk marinade. I'm gonna get some of the marinade, which I have some here, put over the fish. And also what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour a bit of oil in the bottom of the pan. Because after this I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to put it on the grill, but I'm not going to put the fish straight on the grill because this fish is very delicate. Some people may use put it in foil, but also that's personal preference. But I choose to do it this way. Okay, so stay tuned. Let us go outside. Now it's time to put the fish on the grill. You don't have to do it this way, but because of the type of fish I'm using, it's a very delicate fish, so I'm going to leave it here. And then I'm going to put the grill down. Give it probably about 10-11 minutes, depends. So stay tuned. Have a look at this, it's just bubbling away. See, by the time I'm finished, it's gonna have that lovely smoky flavor. Seeing that? Fish is still on the move. Give them a little bit of turn. What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna sprinkle some julienne leeks. This is just leeks. Some leeks I'm putting over it. You don't have to, but it's personal preference. Yeah, that's the fish done now. Nice and spicy. I'll just bring it inside and put it on a plate. So ladies and gentlemen, the fish is ready. I'll just put him on the plate. Just gonna put a bit of rocket leaves on top there. Just a bit of rocket, and then slice of lemon. Don't need anything too much on it. So here you go, ladies and gentlemen. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave positive comment. Peace be unto you all.